Well, it's afternoon. I've been cleaning up around the house, so grab yourself a drink, a beverage of your choice. It isn't morning anymore. Like I've showed you, they got this done yesterday, and the curtain's supposed to be here today. So we went and got some parts. I'm figure out a way to put something on there that will easy to move over and out to get the rig in and out, but yet sturdy enough to not fall down. So we've got some parts. We're going to see if we can figure that out. I found out that all my ladders are too short. Well, that one will reach, but boy, is that rickety. And you know how much I love ladders. Anyway, we're going to get on that, tackle that next. That'll be in this video right here. Good morning, early morning to y'all. Well, we got this hanging last night. I wanted to show you what it looked like with solar lights under it. But there you go. These come on and stay on all night long. I'm still working on the cable system for the deal. What do you call it? Door? Curtain? Anyway, I'm working on that, but today I'll finish that off because that's going to come all the way over and fill it in. Let me back up here a minute. But that'll keep that thing is sagged 6 inches just yesterday, so I know it's stretching. So that's what we're going to do today, is put a come-along on it and stretch it all out, because that'll be square up there against that gable when we're done. So that's what we're going to work on today. But I wanted to show you how this looks at night. It's pretty cool. You know, someday it'll all be boxed in, but for the future, probably till we sell the RV, it'll stay open because it's just easy to get into it there. And we can also just stand right here, sit in here if it's raining or something. Maybe we want to still hang around outside, got a little drizzle or something, or maybe snow, who knows. We can sit, pull the chairs out right there, sit right there, and be protected. This don't give you no protection from the weather elements. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that early in the morning now. It's early enough that I got to go have me a cup of coffee, and I'm also going to start editing another video for you all. Well, it's done. There you go. Whole building's done for now. I've got to bring my solar panels back out. We'll set them out front here, I think. We're going to tie the bottom down, but if you see it there, the wind is going in and out, and I think we leave it loose so the wind can do that. It ain't putting so much what do you call it, pressure on it. But that's going to work great. It's going to keep it shaded in there. Oh, I got to fix my solar deal. I bumped it while I was up there. They didn't bolt this thing down up there. This ain't bolted down anywhere along there. Huh. Well, I can do that, I guess. Anyway, that's done. Let me show you how we did it. We got a hook over there. You can see the shadow of it. It's on the outside of it. And the cable runs up and over and then down. Then we got a turnbuckle here and plenty of extra cable. We got a turnbuckle there. We can keep it tight, keep it taut. And then when I want to slide it, this side will come undone. She just hooks on like this, like the little screws right there. That holds it. I'm going to get me a piece of pipe and put it in that T up there. So all I do is unhook it here. Might need a longer screw on that, it looks like, because it ain't getting it. Yeah, we'll get a longer screw for there. Well, you put a pipe in there, then I can just slide that all the way over to there, because this side is fastened down solid. It ain't going nowhere. She's sandwiched in between these two pieces right here, as you can see. It ain't going nowhere. So that's what I'll do, just slide it over, go in, go out. You ain't gonna be moving that but a few times a year when you go camping. So that's all done. But I got something else today I wanted to show you. That this feller has changed a lot of people's lives. And he's made me think. I'll tell you, it made me think. But I got all these stickers. I got them from everywhere. I just see I put a new one on somewhere besides the one I'm showing you. But anyway, oh, I got these over in Oregon coast when we were on our last trip. But this is the one I wanted to show you, because that young fella right there, he changed a lot of lives in his life. He did. If you didn't shed a tear when you saw all this stuff going on about him, I don't know if I wouldn't want you as a friend. If you didn't feel bad about that, I wouldn't want you as a friend. But that's going to be the end of this video. Into the shop. My heart goes out to the Kirk family. And we're done here. What we're going to do now is, if it starts raining or something, drizzling or whatever, for whatever reason we don't want to sit out there, we will sit over here. And it'll be great. I'm not going to even attempt to get the Jeep under here with it. I used to, but it was tight, and I've already cut off a good foot. And I told the guy when he came here that this concrete wasn't straight, and it is off quite a bit. I hadn't planned on putting a building on it when I started, but it is now. Hey, thanks for following, everybody. You know what to do.